I wanted to do a quick video just showing you how to make this little jewelry box or container out of a shipping tape roll, and in a later video I'll show you how to make this pendant out of cardboard that was covered with wallpaper and just a glaze, triple thick glaze. I'll show you how to do that in a later video, but this is something that I was considering making as part of my handcrafted jewelry collection. So let me just go to this really fast. I want to show you. So all you do is you're going to take a piece of cardboard. Let me get the cardboard. All you have to do is take a piece of cardboard and your empty shipping tape roll. You're going to outline it. You're going to outline it so that you can make a bottom just like this and hot glue it to it. And then you're going to do another one so you can make a lid. And then once you make the lid, I put some paper on it. You could put any type of paper. You could put like a wrapping paper like this. You could put, this is a trim, a border. You can leave it plain. It's up to you. And then all I did was I took a soda bottle cap and I glued it to the lid. So I took a cap like this, glued it to the lid like that. This is made out of paper with water and glue. You could also use tissue paper, toilet paper, or just like regular soft paper, and do the same thing. Mix it with water, make it mushy, put some glue, and it hardens like this. Make yourself a little tassel, and then you have a box. So this quick and easy craft can be made so that you can recycle, reuse, and repurpose a regular shipping tape roll into a little decorative box, and I'll show you how it looks in this little crafting area. So I think it fits in nicely. Thanks for watching.